Hi, I'm Jenny Tene. I worked under Dr. Kathleen Arnold, and our project is Learning from Writing and Intervention Study. Did you know that retrieving the information rather than restudying it enhanced learning? When students are tested on material, they remember the material better than if they had not been asked to retrieve it. Elaborating on material enhances comprehension and retention of that material. Organizing material is another way to enhance recall and comprehension. Thus, writing an essay that involves both elaborating and organizing material should enhance retention. Essays that elaborate on the information, intentionally connecting relevant ideas and organizing information are classified as having a high degree of deep cohesion, meaning the sentences and the ideas flow well together. Moreover, the more cohesive the essay, the higher the likelihood of the author having engaged in deep cognitive processing, and therefore the deeper the author's understanding of the material. Writing closed book essays involves retrieval processing as well as elaborative and organizational processes. Therefore, essay writing could improve learning more than traditional testing. And although prior research found that free recall in essays enhanced learning when compared to non-retrieval based learning, there is no benefit of essays over free recall on learning. One reason essays were no better than free recall may be because participants were not recalling enough material to fully benefit from all the cognitive processes. Also, maybe they were not comprehending the material as much. Um, Students who have a difficult time coherently processing source material may be particularly unlikely to benefit from writing essays. Structure building ability, the ability to build mental models in your head and organize information, is related to one's ability to recall information. Thus, those with high structure building ability benefit more from writing essays, likely because they can recall more on the essays and may be better at organizing the information. Our study examines the benefit of an outline intervention on improving essay writing, enhancing learning, and thus improving memory. We also examine how structure building ability and essay cohesion moderate the benefit of an outline.